Hey everybody, here's another quick edition of James Jam. I just want to do an opening here and have my nice new Chanel package. So I'm just going to open that with you and let's see what we have. Oh, the suspense. I know what it is, but I still love this. This is only the second bag I've ever opened from here. Oh, my beautiful box. I'm just so excited. It's got the beautiful Chanel packaging, and the paper has Chanel written on it. So excited. Trying to be careful. I have seen this, but I haven't seen it since Saturday. So, and then I was just so elated about it, I just couldn't even view it. I had to have her just take it, and couldn't wait till I got it home and it was mine. She was very careful with the packaging. You have the beautiful Chanel bag here. Right here is just the dust bag. Can you start to see what it is? I have my care instructions here to reveal my beautiful Chanel. Oh, first it's got the distressed leather. Here's the tag on it, if you want to just take a look at that. Basically just Chanel 19A, a gold hardware. Oh, this is beautiful, this green. Oh, open it up. And here's the inside. It's got the chain is very substantial and very beautiful. And inside it's all leather, the same color as the bag. And then it has one slip pocket and then one zippered pocket. Which has my card in it. And inside the zip is also the green, so just this beautiful, beautiful green bag. And a Chanel, kind of a mini. Just trying to bring it up here so you can see it a little bit better. The bottoms go in or out depending on how you're doing it here, so mine's a little funny shaped right now, but this is it. This is my beauty. So just wanted to do the quick reveal, and if you have any questions, let me know, and I will sure this will be all over my Instagram. So thank you for watching, and until I see you again or talk to you again, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks. Goodbye.